What's up, everybody? Dre Hall from YouTube here, the Little Self-Made Millionaires channel. Subscribe if you're new. Click that notification bell to get notifications when we drop our newest videos. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to generate 5 to 10 extra leads per day using Facebook or YouTube. This method is simple and it does work. So pretty much, as you can see, I have trainings on here. Say I want to take this branding training, which I do right here. The 80-20 rule exposed, and say that I want to teach that to my audience in exchange for a email. I might come over to my website right here and give away that training in exchange for somebody entering their name and their email address. I may give away a free training video that I did on YouTube. Now this works on Facebook and YouTube, so if you want a new way to generate leads outside of this video, right, there's going to be a link in the description. It'll be this link right here. This link will add you to my subscriber list, and I'll know to send you over new ways I discover to generate leads. That link will be in the description. Now over to Facebook, right, it's it's the same procedure. I have all these videos on YouTube that my Facebook audience hasn't seen, so maybe I want to I might say something like this, and then when someone responds to this ad, I'll simply accept their email address, right? I'll get their email address via private message. I'll save that to my autoresponder, and then I'll send them over my YouTube video. Now, if you want to if you want to move forward with the team and what I got going on, there will be a presentation that that you can access in the descriptions that'll show you exactly what I'm doing, how I'm able to post these ads on Facebook, right, and get paid to Cash App, how I could start getting paid $25, $100, $250 via Cash App. Now in this video you can see fast10kinfo@gmail.com. You could go ahead and email that email address for instructions on getting started, or you could click the link below in the description. My name's Dre Hall, guys. I'll be adding more content to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of content in here that can get you started in the right direction, making money online. If you want to learn how to generate more leads, once again, this is the link. It'll be in the description, littleselfmademillionaires.com/becometheway/. I'll see you guys on the next video.